We are going to be getting into Canva using Magic, which is one of the newest writing tools. It's not brand new, but I have something really cool to share with you. This is something that's kind of been going viral on TikTok, but I'm going to walk you step by step so that you can actually get a slowed down version and see just how Magic Write works in Canva. What's up guys, my name is Ambrosia Carey. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here, then welcome. I'm here to give you time efficient tips and marketing tips for your salon business. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button and hit the bell so you get a notification every week when we drop a new video. This week we're going specifically into Canva tips. Thank you very much for your feedback. A lot of you guys liked the last video. If you missed that video, then I'm going to link that right up here so you can check that out. We're going into specifically Magic Write, which is an AI writing tool. This is going to save you so much time. So as a service provider or as a business, when you're having to create Canva slides or decks or anything along those lines, it can be extremely time consuming. But using the power of AI and the Magic Writing tool, popping it into a couple different things, presto changeo, then you can have all those slides curated directly for you. So let's go ahead and check that out with further ado. So first you want to start out at the very top where you can see all your Magic tools. You're going to want to go to Docs. Once you click on Docs, it's going to open up a blank page and you're going to notice that there's actually a plus symbol. Click on that and there will be a caret that drops open, which is the Magic Write. Inside the Magic Write, ask a question. And in this case, I'm going to be just using create a short list on how to care for your hair at home. Push enter and it will populate all these steps. I'm going to highlight the steps, copy. I'm now going to open up Google Sheets and I'm going to paste that directly into Google Sheets. Go to File, Download, and then save it as a CSV file. You're going to see that it downloads below, and I'm going to move that just to my computer screen for now. I'm reopening Canva, and this time I'm going to social media. You can click on that, or you can go below to Instagram posts. This is going to be the square one, for instance. So you have the option between creating a template or moving over to styles. If you don't have a picked out font or a color scheme, you can actually go through this to get some different ideas. In this situation, I'm just gonna go back and use a template. Now you can scroll down and choose from a variety of templates, or you can actually type in the kind of template you want. I just typed in list, not quite giving me what I'm wanting, so I'm going to type in carousels instead, and that's going to give me some options on just different slide styles, and this is kind of meant as an infographic. Next, I'm going to scroll down on the left-hand bar where it says bulk create. You're going to upload the CSV file that you saved from earlier and open that up. Now you're going to go directly to the font that's inside of your slide and you're going to go to connect data. Once you click on that, it will actually enter it in for you. So you're going to just want to adjust a couple of things. Sometimes it has brackets around it. Sometimes it's skewed off, or you need to adjust the font. You're going to need to adjust the size of the font as well. And obviously I'm going to want to enter in Successful Stylist Academy at the bottom, since that's what I'm making the graphic for. I would even want to go into my colors. The reason why you want to spend time doing this one specific slide is because this is what sets up all your future slides. So that way you don't have to do it with every single one. Once I finish up with that, then I will actually input the rest of my data, and I'll show you how I do that in just a moment. Now that I have this slide designed the way I want, I'm going to click continue and generate all pages. This is going to open up a separate screen and copy that first slide, and it will also input all the information in the rest of the slides. So that is now ready to go, but I want to make sure. I just realized that I didn't actually change the bars on top to black. It's kind of a green color, so I'm gonna go back and adjust the green, and I'm gonna do that again. Generate 6 slides,
and then it's gonna go ahead and create that for me. So this is real life. This totally is what happens in Canva, but I want to show you just how easy it is to create everything in literally minutes. The last and final step is I want to make a cover. So I'm going to add an extra page on, and I'm going to click the caret so it moves up to the top. And then I'm going to click over here to the left side for a pre-made slide, and I'm going to go through the prompts and adjust the font, adjust the colors, and I'm even going to input in the correct information since this is the cover that's gonna go on actual Instagram that people will want to click through. So I'm gonna put 6 ways to take care of hair at home. And then once I adjust everything, I am going to just get them into the fonts and have everything just mark up super cohesively. And I'm gonna get rid of the font that doesn't make sense. I'm also going to change the name at the bottom to Successful Stylist Academy to keep everything just on par. And I just want to double check that all of the fonts are lined up. This is the part that takes the most time, but I'm not speeding anything up. This is like me doing it in real time because I wanted to really give you a fair snapshot on how long this actually does take me. Lastly, I'm gonna go into creating the end cover, which is going to prompt people. That's gonna be my call to action. So I'm wrapping this one up now. Everything's looking good. Just adjusting the size of the fonts and making sure that they're the right fonts, the way that I'm wanting. The sizes and the proportions are feeling correct, and everything black and pink because that is the theme of the rest of the slides. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down and add my end slide. I am actually going to type in the search bar, follow along so I can get the correct slide that I'm looking for. And I'm going to just scroll through, find the one that I want, and remove any unnecessary clutter that doesn't really fit the theme of the rest of the slides. I'm going to do the same thing as I was doing before, adjust my fonts, adjust the size of the fonts, and of course, adjust all the colors so everything fits what I'm needing here. I'm just wrapping up and I'm almost done. So I'm just gonna finish this off and it's pretty much going to be complete after this. All I have to do is click the download button. I want to save it as a PNG file, and that's something that I would either store to post later or I would save it to my phone. I do have this connected to my phone as well, so I can actually just save it directly from my phone rather than airdropping it to myself. And so that's obviously a preference, but this is the process and how I create things literally in 5 to 6 minutes, creating, what was that, 6, 7 slides, and there you go. So now you get to have fun and try it on your own.
It's just that simple. If you found this super helpful and you think this is something you would do, make sure that you share this video with a friend and definitely comment below and let me know what you thought. And if you want more Canva tips, I'm here for you. By the way, I do have a Canva Pro code for you. If you want to try it out, you can check it out for 30 days for free. And then after that, you get a 16% discount, I want to say, which is such a weird amount, but whatever. Money's money. I'll give you the discount, and that's also linked below as well. Check out Canva Pro so that you can play around with it and see if that's something that you actually like to, so you can get started with your Magic Write tool as well. All right, guys, that's it for me for now. I am going to be posting a video next week back in the hair world, and I'm doing another French hair cutting class. I know that you have been really enjoying French hair cutting, so I'm trying to devote some time to recording those and sharing little tips here and there with you. I will also link in my Instagram account where I have a couple more hair cutting, like shorter form videos for you as well, if that helps you out. I'm here for you. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you next week.